two creative AI giants face off in 2025. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, DALL-E, prompt-accurate, super accessible image generation. And on the right, Runway, a video-first, collaborative, creative hub. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So, before we get crazy with comparisons, let me lay out the mind map. We'll be judging these tools on a bunch of stuff. First, their core focus. Then, editing precision and features, speed and workflow, how they play with other platforms, integrations, And finally, we have pricing and licensing. Got all that? Good, let's jump in. Starting off, let's talk about core focus. DALL-E? It's honestly what most people think of when they want to whip up an image from a simple prompt. You type something in, it gives you some pretty spot-on visuals, and it even lets you do light editing and compositing. Plus, because it's baked into ChatGPT, it's just super easy to get started. The flip side? If you want to do more complicated edits or any video stuff, it gets kinda basic. Now, Runway, this is where things change gears. It's not just about images, this thing is supercharged for video. Advanced editing, in-painting, animating, object removal. You can build multi-scene videos that actually keep the story straight. It's got Gen 4 consistency, which is wild. Only real catch? For still images, it's better inside their video pipeline, and for regular folks, you'd want to double-check their content licensing. So, in terms of core focus, Runway really nails the creative toolkit. Next category, editing precision and features. DALL-E keeps things friendly, so even a total beginner can get by. Great for quick touch-ups, but if you want to finesse layers or really mess with perspectives, not gonna happen. Think of it as a chill, casual collage creator. Now, Runway is a whole other beast. You can do some strong in-painting, not just on individual scenes, but across an entire video. Characters and objects actually stay looking consistent, which is pretty impressive. That said, if you're only wrangling still images, like for a thumbnail or an artwork, editing feels less flexible unless it's for video. So, for serious creative control, Runway wins this round. All right, how about speed and workflow? DALL-E is fast, like impressively fast. You can fire up images straight in ChatGPT or even Bing. Super simple, super instant. Only thing is, the UI does kind of fence you in with what you can actually edit. With Runway, you also get pretty rapid results, plus real-time collab and sharing options that push things to another level, especially if you're working with a team. Main thing to note is most of the best features and the fastest workflow are locked behind their paid plans. So yeah, speed is great for both, but each shines depending on how deep you want to go. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Runway's Gen 4 can actually create multi-scene consistent videos just from a couple of written prompts? That's some next-level creative magic. Now for integrations and ecosystem. DALL-E. Seamless connections everywhere, especially if you're already ChatGPTing or using Bing, or if you want to build something with the OpenAI API. It's ready to plug into your existing setup. Limitation, though? Don't expect anything wild for video. Runway's ecosystem is huge for creative media teams. Tons of collaboration tools, advanced video, and even audio editing. Downside? It's definitely designed with groups in mind more than casual one-offs. So, if you need a creative suite for media projects, Runway's awesome. But if you want basic integrations, DALL-E's hard to beat. Last category, pricing and licensing. DALL-E is kinda a winner by default here. You can use it in ChatGPT, whether you've got a free account or pay for extra stuff, and copyright terms are super straightforward. Only thing is, if you want to do heavy-duty commercial stuff, just make sure about their licensing. Now, Runway, it's totally scalable for teams with enterprise options and all that, but regular users might have to give up a broad content license, which is, kind of awkward. Plus, if you're after their advanced features, the cost goes up. It adds up quick, honestly. So yeah, for most people, DALL-E keeps things simple. Looking at the radar chart, you can really see where each tool shines. DALL-E dominates for affordable, accessible image generation, but Runway's all about those advanced video tools and team workflow. Both have solid speed and integrations, so it's all about what kind of creative work you're after. So, bottom line, if you want to whip up prompt-perfect images, maybe add a casual edit here and there, DALL-E 3 has your back. If the plan is to make slick videos, do some advanced editing, and you want your whole creative squad involved, Runway is where it's at. Want to find your ideal creative AI setup? Test drive both DALL-E and Runway. They're different flavors, but one will definitely fit your workflow.